Homemade honeycomb with mixed berries. This is the secret. The honey inside the honeycomb.
Hot pan, sugar, water, glucose syrup, honey.
The colour is getting darker and darker. What we're looking for is a really nice light toffee.
Baking soda.
When the baking soda hits the caramel, it creates a really nice, light, bubbling sort of eruption, almost like a live volcano. Out and onto a tray. Once it's cooled down, straight into the fridge.
Mixed berry coulis, raspberries, blueberries, sugar, lavender essence.
Be very careful, it's very pungent and incredibly powerful.
Blitz, sieve.
The colour is beautiful.
Honeycomb, smash.
Not too small, otherwise the honeycomb becomes powder.
Yogurt,
Honeycomb into the yogurt.
mix.
So it's got this really nice textured yogurt with honeycomb folded through. Take your berry coulis and just drizzle on top.
Dried lavender flowers.
Finish it with some tiny fragments of homemade honeycomb. And that has to be the perfect summer dessert.
Yogurt with mixed berry coulis and homemade honeycomb. Done.